Hello kids, today I will be drawing Mickey Mouse for you. For that you need to take a pencil, eraser and your colors. If you are ready, we are going to start it. Make it one curve, one deep curve going towards, it should be straight. One more curve going towards downside. One more curve going towards downside. Here, one point there, little bit inside, one point little bit inside, and one point at the center. Now, one curve coming inside to the center, same thing here. One more curve going towards the point. Here, this is a hair portion. Connect this line to the dot. Connect this line to the dot. This is a chubby cheeks. One slipping line. One more slipping line. And one curve line touching to the both the line. Now, from this point to this point, one big curve. Again, one slipping oval shape has a nose, fill inside black. One big smile by making curve and two curves for showing a chubby cheeks. One tongue. One oval shape, one more oval shape at the nose line, one small oval shape for showing the lines of the eyes, one more curve line for the ears, again one more curve line for making the ears. It should be equal. Now, I want to make it bow tie at the center, one oval shape at the chin point. Now here, one standing wave line going towards downside. Again, one wave line going towards downside on another chin. One slanting line touching the oval shape. One slanting line touching to the oval shape. Here, few dots inside a bow tie. Even also, if you don't want the dots, you can leave it the dots. Here, our Mickey Mouse is ready. Now we are going to do a color inside. Take it, skin color. If you didn't got a skin color, you can take it orange color. Here cover the face, do not go in eyes. Cover it properly. Whole face I am going to do orange color because I didn't got a pitch color. I didn't got a skin color or a flastin color, so I am filling orange color. Now there I am covering the portions. Cover the portion perfectly. Cover the nose proper. Follow the borderline. Here my mouth is going to cover. Do not go in tongue. Cover the white dots. Here my orange color is done. Now I am going towards yellow color. For showing my bow tie, take yellow color, fill it inside with the help of border. You can cover the dots. Here my bow tie is ready. Now I am going towards head. It is found in black color. Take a black color. Please, whenever you are going to use a black color, do it very slowly, because it can spoil our drawing. Fill it inside a black color, border to border. It cannot get outside. Please take care about that. Fill border to border, line to line, and fill it in a small proportion. Do not take full proportion. Cover the white dots. Here my head portion is done. Now I am going towards ear portion. I will cover the border first. Slowly fill inside. Handle the color properly. Try not to break the colors. Here my ear is done. Now I am going to another ear. Here my second ear is also going to finish. Slowly cover the dots. Here our Mickey Mouse is ready.